So you guys can see what the wig looks like. The wig comes pre-plucked and it comes pre-bleached. So this is the hairline straight out of the box. I've not customized anything. The only thing I've done so far is just to apply some cream bronzer to help the lace match my skin tone. Honestly, I'm really impressed so far. The lace looks really good. So this is the 13x6 HD lace. So the parting goes literally all the way down here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just install the wig, and then yeah.
So round, gotta put it down. If you keep it low, they can spoil it so. Don't catch feelings though. Please don't tell us so. Dying for my love, but wanting a tender loving touch. I do this something without no trust. The rope I've been looking to love. What for? I don't need to.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use my bed hairspray to glue the lace down. I really like using this hairspray because it's so strong. This is the Extreme Hold hairspray by Bedhead.
To my love, baby, my love slow. No, you be jealous, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Well, I be the 1 or 2 or 3. My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see. Maybe I be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, poop off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me.
I'm done gluing down this side, and this is what it looks like. The lace honestly looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now.
You better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Well, I be the 1 or 2 or 3. My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig. I feel like I need to recurl the hair. The hair actually came pre-styled, so it came pre-bleached, it came pre-plucked, and it came pre-styled as well. But I feel like the curls have definitely dropped, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add some curls to the hair. I'm gonna use this curling wand that I got from Amazon. I'll make sure to link this in the description box below.
Dying for my love, but wanting a tender loving touch. I do this something without no trust. The rope I've been looking to love. What for? I don't need to show my love. compared to me. Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. I really wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, book off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Like jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see.
Now I'm just gonna go in with some hair serum.
Can't spoil it, so don't catch feelings, oh. Please don't tell us so. Dying for my love, I want to not tender love in touch. I do this something without no trust. The rope I've been looking to love.
So you guys can see this is what the lace looks like. Honestly, the lace is everything. So like I said, this is the HD lace. Look at how good that looks.
I don't need to show my love. Baby, my love slow. No, you be jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. I really wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, book off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Like jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try.
Okay, so that brings me to the end of today's video. I'm so impressed with the lace that comes with this wig. Like I said, this is the 13x6 HD lace front wig, and the lace literally just melts into your skin. Like, it's so good. The hair feels extremely soft, it's very silky, so I'll definitely recommend you use some sort of hairspray to like hold the curls in. So today I used the Wella Extreme Hold hairspray, and I would really recommend this hairspray. It's so good. So this is what the hair looks like. It's a 13x6, which means you can definitely do any hairstyle you'd like with this wig. And like I said, this wig is from Wiggins Hair, and this is their 28-inch 250 density wig. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below. Make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.